Okay, today's March 12th, 2017. It's approximately 4:20 in the afternoon, kind of an overcast day. I want to bring you out today and show you the horizontal lanes that we built and put together. We did put bees in them last Saturday, which would have been March the 3rd. At the time we didn't have a YouTube channel, so didn't get no footage of that, but we will go step by step in how we took the 3-frame nukes and put one 3-frame nuke in each hive and got them started. Just want to bring out today, this is our first video, trying to get the YouTube channel set up, make sure everything's working properly. How else to do it but to come out and shoot a video. But anyway, you see this is our horizontal Langstroths that we built, and the reason we built these is due to heavy lifting. The standard Langstroth, the 10-frame and 8-frame as well, does require lifting of the boxes, anywhere from upwards of 50 pounds to 100 pounds. So just having a couple hives, just to have something to get started on, get with it, we figured we would try something like this to avoid the heavy lifting. You'll notice the wheels on the front of both of them. That was one of the reasons we put the wheels on the front, to get them on the trailer and off the trailer and in their locations and all. Would have required lifting, so we put the wheels on them, and we made some adapters for the back side. I'll walk around and show. We made some adapters here for the back side out of regular old angle iron. There's one hanging here, and also one on that side, top right corner, hanging downwards. And then we put strips of metal on the inner and outer of the 2x4 legs. I'll take this one here down just for a quick demonstration. We took these pieces of angle iron, about 40 inches long, and just notched out with a grinder. We notched out a little square there. And what these squares do is they interlock in on these legs. One will go naturally on the right side, and one would go on the left side. And then when you lift up on them, they lock in on that metal, and it lifts the back side of the hives up. So once you get the hives up just a couple inches, 2-3 inches up off the ground, well, then you can move them to whatever location you want, set them up, whatever. And then in case that you ever did have to move the hives for some reason or another, just close off the front entrances in the evening and hook them up, push them onto your trailer, and carry them to the next yard. That is one of the disadvantages of the horizontal lanes, is that the movability. Usually once they're set, and if you don't have property of your own to put them on, it's kind of a disadvantage. If some unforsaken reason that you ever do have to move them, it could be a task at hand. So we chose to put the wheels on them for that reason. These two here are not sitting on our property. We've got them at another location, and just in case something unforeseen comes up that we have to move them, we want to be able to move them as easy as possible. We built 2 of them. With anything else, when you're starting out in bees and all, it's been advised to start out with 2 hives. That way, if one is not performing properly, you can maybe transfer some brood and some cat brood, some larvae and eggs from one to the other, and maybe give it a little kickstart. And then as well with 2, you have something to compare to. With one hive, that's all you got. Well, then that's all you got. There's really nothing to compare to. But we're excited to get them started and all, and we're going to be doing more videos as well. But today, being as it was overcast, I figured I'd come out and shoot the first video, try to get the YouTube channel set up, get it ready, and the next video, hopefully tomorrow, we will open up the hives. We're going to be talking about the hives, what we done, the reasons we done what we done. Going to show the parts of the hive and also introduce everyone to the bees and kind of show their progress that they've made in 1 week's time, and then we'll go from there, probably week by week progress. In the next clip, I'll also give y'all a website to where you can go and get the plans for these. We was able to get the plans off the internet. I want to make sure of the actual website before I tell you the website, because it could possibly be wrong. I want to double check and make sure. But that's what we've done. Really don't need the tin on the top. We just put a piece of tin on the top just for extra rain shelter. Just got a piece of rope wrapped around, tied on, just to keep the wind from blowing. But you don't have to have that tin. We do have a telescoping top on them as well. We just put the tin there, just save the wood a little bit. And we did paint these with outdoor latex, so could have used oil based, but we chose to go with latex. But that's what we got going on. Not much action at the windows. Like I say, it is overcast. Today had a little rain this morning. I did see a few going in with pollen. There's a couple coming out there, but they're wanting to know what business I got up here getting their picture. But anyway, again, this is our first video of several, we hope, and that's the 2 horizontal lanes that we started. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will have more to come. I'll have help here tomorrow. We're going to go in, we'll break down the hives, kind of explain to you what's going on with them, show you the different parts of them, show you the feeders. We're using frame feeders now. We're going to be refilling the frame feeders as well tomorrow, and just give you an overall view of them. Thank you for watching.